Within the first few days of the course starting, you need to be looking for an email from NW-SCC Online Educator Development course. This email will be asking you to accept an invitation to become an author on a WordPress blog. If you already have an account with WordPress, you can skip the next few steps. If you don't, click on this link to create an account. Enter your email address, choose a username, and create a password. Once you have created your account, you'll need to return to your email and look for another message, this time from WordPress, asking you to verify your email address. Click on the link to confirm your email address, and now your account has been created. Once you have created your account, again, return to your email and go back to the original message, and now accept the invitation to become an author for the course blog. If everything has been done correctly, you should see the Northwest Shoals logo and the name of the course blog in the top left-hand corner of the WordPress site. Okay, now that you have your account set up and you have accepted the invitation, I need you to do one more thing before we look at how to actually post to the course blog. So right up here in the upper left-hand corner, click where it says Reader. And then under Followed Sites, click on this little tab that says Manage. Okay, you have a little search bar here. We're going to do a search for NW-SCC. And then right down here towards the bottom of the page, you should see the Online Educator Development blog, the one that you just joined as an author. And then we have the option to follow that blog right here. So go ahead and click on Follow. This will send you emails whenever someone posts to the blog or posts a comment or responds to a comment, and we'll just kind of allow you to keep up a little bit better with what's going on with the course blog. All right, so the good news is that everything you just did is most definitely the hard part of this process. From now on, whenever you log in, the only thing that you're going to have to do to actually post to the course blog is to click right up here where it says Write. Okay, so that brings you to this page where you can title your blog post and then enter the contents of your blog post down here. So because we're all going to be posting to a centralized location and we're all going to be posting about the same topics, I'm going to, for each one of your blog posts, have specific instructions for how I want you to title them. That way it'll be a little bit easier to kind of differentiate what you're looking at when you go to read and kind of sort through. So for instance, your first blog post, you're going to title it your last name and then Philosophy Statement Part 1. Okay, so every one of your blog posts will begin with your last name and then a short description of what you can expect to find in the actual blog post. And then you will enter the contents of the blog post here. Once you get completely done and you are ready to post to the blog, you will click right up here in the upper right hand corner where it says Publish. So click there once and then you're going to have to click it twice. So this is kind of the Are you sure you want to publish feature of WordPress where they make you click it twice. Okay, so if you only click it that one time, it is not going to publish to the site. So make sure that you're clicking Publish twice. It'll load and then it'll give you a check mark there saying, hey, congratulations, you have posted. And then you'll get a little preview of what your blog post looks like. Okay, on the actual home page, you're not going to see the whole blog post. You're going to see the title and then just a short excerpt of the first few sentences. So as more people post, we'll have little small squares going across the page here that will give you the title of each person's post and then just the first few sentences of the blog post to see maybe if you're interested in going through and reading that particular post. Okay, if for any reason you decide that you need to go back and edit or possibly even delete one of your blog posts, then navigate back to the My Site portion of WordPress, and then over here you have a tab that says Blog Post. Okay, so you click on Blog Post and you'll have a list of all of your blog posts throughout the course of the semester. So just click on the little 3-dot option right over here on whatever blog post it is that you're needing to edit, and then select which one of these options that best represents whatever it is you're trying to accomplish. All right, so that is getting set up and posting to WordPress. Again, if you have any questions about anything with the setup process or how to post, please do email me, and I'll be glad to contact you and help you out with whatever problems that you're having. If not, then I very much look forward to reading all of your blog posts very soon.